Well, the concrete, it needed to be resurfaced from remodeling and some pipelines that were put in. And rather than tear it out, we decided to go with a product that was river rock in epoxy. Unfortunately, the ultraviolet rays of the sun got the better of it and just peeled up piece by piece, rock by rock, in our shoes, in the house, the bottom of the pool. And we needed an alternative. I opened a Valpak one afternoon, and the first slip in the pack was 1-inch pavers that could go over existing concrete. Ed came out with his crew, and I relied on him for the colour blend, and it turned out perfectly. The crew that came here were just phenomenal. Every day they cleaned up, they were polite, they worked really, really hard. It was amazing, in fact, to see the type of work that they did and the expertise that they put into it. And I recommend it for anyone that had problematic concrete areas, whether it's a driveway or around a swimming pool. An added bonus, we got new coping on the swimming pool, which made it look like the pool was being remodeled. Well, now that it's all done, apart from people that are interested in doing it, coming and looking at it and walking away totally flabbergasted, the neighbours also are like, wow. Well, the surface, compared to what was here, you could, as it started to disintegrate, you could not walk on a river rock in epoxy. This is non-slippery, it's not porous, and it repels water. It's easy on the feet and better than concrete, actually. And certainly no slip at all, wet feet or not. Well, when it comes to working with somebody that is a family-owned business, every one of them had the same intention, and that was to make me happy or whoever they're dealing with happy. They cared. And beyond that, even the crew that they sent cared. I was worried about all the stuff that was in the pool, not from their construction. The next thing I knew was Eddie's little brother was here one day and vacuumed the pool out with his own equipment, and it's as clean now as it was the day he vacuumed it. So they really followed through. When it comes to details, they all knew what I expected of them, and even went above and beyond with some suggestions when it came to installation and the way that the water was going to flow, and that's something that I don't think a lot of people think of. And so I would recommend it on any level, as far as appearance, functionality, installation, and cost. It's remarkable. Pavescapes, we're so glad you're here in Palm Springs. Not only Palm Springs, but the whole Coachella Valley needs you. It's wonderful for the harshness of the summer heat in the desert. We love you. Thank you.